Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use stock videos in Capcut. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up Capcut app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Capcut app on your mobile phone, here you guys have to simply just go to this new project. So after tapping on new project, here you guys have to simply go to the top right corner of library option. So you guys just have to click on it and it will provide you all the library of stock videos in the CapCut. So you guys can use the all the stock videos here. So here it has a lots of album of the stock videos. So you guys can use stock photos as well as stock videos. So it has multiple options or multiple categories. You guys have to just simply tap on the trending category, or you guys can select any other categories by just swiping right. So you guys can see it has lots of categories. You guys have to simply just click on Christmas and New Year. By just tapping on it, you guys can see it has lots of stock footages as well as stock videos related to Christmas or New Year. So you guys have to just simply click on new green screen, and in the green screen you guys will find all the items which are related to green screen, and these all are stock videos, so you guys can feel free to use in your projects. In the background you guys can also use lots of backgrounds, solid backgrounds and gradients, and in the intro and outro you guys can also use intro and outro as a stock video in your project. And you guys can also use in the transitions in multiple scenarios in your videos, or you guys can also add scenery by just tapping on it. Look at the videos and look at the results. It's pretty amazing. So you guys can make your videos more engaging and more beautiful. In this way you guys can use stock videos in CapCut. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.